Coming at you from the Forest River Expo. Forest River has introduced the new high-end Lost Pines destination trailers. This would be the DRV of luxury destination camping. Look at these windows, look at the size of the door. We'll go and do a quick walkthrough on the inside. Everything in here is high-end. There's no wrapped wood. It's all hardwood trim, dual pane windows, hard countertops. Everything is hardwood, no wrapped wood. Even the cabinets, all hardwood cabinets. Walls are 3-inch thick fiberglass roof. Heat pumps in the AC, plus a 40,000 BTU furnace, plus the fireplace. Again, all hardwood trim, beautiful shower. This one has 2 slides in it. Right now they only have 2 floor plans, one with a slide, one without. This is the one with the slide. This is a king bed. There's not too many options, only queen or king options. Very few options that would be available from the factory, so there's not a lot of customization. Cabinets are a beautiful tone. Again, everything is, the bedroom has this big wide door. I don't know, it's got to be close to a 3-foot door. The ceilings are slanted, similar to the RVS1. Recessed lighting. And then they have the non-slide unit over here.